Here we are. This is March the 19th with the dogs down here by the river. Gorgeous sunny day. It's just beautiful. So they are having a ball down here. Hey guys, just looking at the Mira River. A little bit of ice on it, but I wouldn't walk out there. That's for sure. It's Schatzie. Across the river from us. Hi, Fritz. And Misty busy digging into the snow. So this is looking downriver and the surrounding area. Of course, this is the path going up to the house, which I'm going to start walking up with them now. It is really, truly amazing down here. I just love coming down with the dogs. Of course, they love it too. Here we go. You want to go back up to the house? Let's go. Come on. They go in and out of the woods and they just have a great time going up, but they follow me up. They're really good. Once you're up by the house, they go into their fenced-in yard. So we're now in the woods part, going around, and that's the Mira River there. So give you some idea of where we live and with the dogs and that. They have a great time here, that's for sure. And we have a great time with them. They make me get out and they make me walk and all the good things. Okay, I better cut this off, as I don't think I'll do it all the way up to the house, as it would probably take 2 days to upload it on YouTube if I did that. But this gives you a very good idea. So, bye for now.